You want to use a business class password manager? We're going to discuss that now, the options. Hi, I'm Peter from Martarna. We provide password management services to businesses here in Perth and around Australia. Now you're talking about taking on a business class password manager over a private or personal password manager. And you're trying to decide whether you should have the business version and whether you should be managing that yourself or maybe have someone else manage the service for you. So you're taking on the business password management for yourself and you're going to manage it yourself, which is an excellent option. You're able to actually set up all the roles or enforcement roles there on how your team members, when they join your organization, how they're going to manage their role. So you can put in place that the minimum size of the password, master password, is 14 characters, let's say, and that they must have two-factor authentication. You also want to put in place maybe that they can't export their passwords once they add them to the vault, to make sure that they don't walk away with the passwords when they decide to leave your organization. Also, with a business version of the password manager, you're able to possibly set up various alerts. So you and maybe they are notified if a password is compromised, so you can actually follow up with them. You set up your alerts, you set up your roles, and you want to actually onboard those users. And when they look to leave the organization, you can go through the process of ensuring that they're locked service and that you're able to actually deal with those passwords that they have and it's moved over to someone else in your organization. Now you may be thinking about taking on someone to actually manage that service. We'll discuss that in the next video. If you want to learn more about how the business password manager can help you in your business, why not give me a call? And our website you can visit, which is martarna.com.au. I look forward to talking to you in the near future.